everybody. Take a short ride with us to the laundromat today. On the beautiful Hummingbird Highway. Almost there. Just right around the corner. We are here. Everybody out there in the world. So these rocks right here, people have been washing their clothes on here for a long time. You see how white the rock is. It's good. Yeah, it's already smoothed out, so it's good just for rubbing your clothes across. We use soap that's friendly for the environment. This is how most people, actually, this is how I'd say 60% of the people that live in Belize, that live outside the main cities and villages, this is how they wash their clothes, take their baths right here on the river. I'm winded after that one. I've been washing clothes like this for almost 2 years since I got here. And a lot of times you can hear howler monkeys right down there on the river. Especially this part that we're in right here, there's a bunch of howler monkeys that are right down the river. Not this way, but they're back that way. A lot of different howler monkeys down there, and you can normally hear them as you're doing this. Peaceful. Like I said, living in Belize has been a very humble experience for the both of us. But we figured we'd make a video on how we do our laundry here. So, hope you guys enjoy it. Enjoy the views of the river. If you like watching our videos so far, please like, subscribe, share, help support us, and we'll keep bringing you guys videos. So we do laundry two different ways here on the river. One is on the rock, as I showed you. The other one is the bucket method, where you just put your clothes in the bucket, put a little bit of your detergent in there, stomp on it with your feet, dump out the water, wring out the clothes, put them back in there. Pretty much do the same thing on rinse. Like I said, it's not for everybody. I actually enjoy doing it. The other way, like we showed you, was rubbing on the rock. You find a nice rock here, you get whatever you're washing lathered up, and you just keep pushing it back and forth on the rock. Pretty much do that with the jeans, the dog's bed, and things like that to get really dirty, really soiled. Other than that, been washing everything out of the bucket. My clothes seem to last longer. They smell just as good. They feel just as good. Like I said, at the end of the day, it's an awesome experience. When I first got here, I was actually embarrassed to do something like that. And now I'll walk right down to the river's edge with a bunch of locals here on the river and get right into it. And let me tell you what, they respect that more than anything. If you can, if you're going to be an expat, go to any country, if you can get on board with the locals, a good way to meet a lot of locals is to go where the locals hang out and do a lot of things that the locals like. They really expect that. It's a good way to meet a lot of people, make a lot of friends, and have a lot of fun.